Hello, this video will show you how to use our RingCentral template feature in our RingCentral to Zoho CRM's texting extension. You navigate over to the RingCentral SMS templates module, click Create New RingCentral template. You give it a name, and you also could use the Clever Add button. If you press that, it's going to open up the little window, and we could go ahead and use this template either in Contacts or Leads module. And we could start using the merge fields from either module. So what we want to do is maybe look for first name, last name, there it is finally. And press create. Automatically will save the module, the record in the module. And now I can go ahead and text this template out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this and then go ahead and use that template by clicking this icon. Second template. It'll load it up in the bottom, and then I could go ahead and click fill out the text. Boom, that now merged the variable into my template. I could click use and press send. You could also add a template here. This is automatically going to add it at the leads module because we are in a leads module. So we could do third, okay, third template. So now that is done. And I could use that again in my RingCentral text. Same way. That's how it works. This is our newest feature.